Well, the fact that she is a specialist in the area of employment law and also contracts, I felt like there was no one better I could have gone to.
It was a tricky case, something that we weren't really sure whether we did have a case, so we needed someone that we could explain the situation to see if it was worthwhile going forward. I would say it's definitely worth talking to her and explaining the situation. She's very honest, and I think that she's very easy to talk to.
Look, I think from the outset, Melanie showed went to great lengths to make sure that she understood the problem and the advice that we were seeking.
She's always available. It doesn't matter if I call her at any time of the day, she'll always ring back if she's not available at that particular time. So I feel like I can call her. I don't feel like I shouldn't ring because every single second will be charged.
She's contactable by phone, and she always responds and lets you know each step of the way by email, so that you always feel that you're part of the process.
And I just liked that. You just got a very good service very quickly, and emails returned and phone calls returned, and yeah, it was just nice to go direct to the lawyer.
Well, Melanie is a complete professional, but at the same time she's amiable and friendly, and I didn't have any issue with being able to pick up the phone and call her, morning, noon, night.
The fact that she does offer you the half-hour consultation so that you can put your case forward and your feelings forward, and she does come up with an idea of whether or not she feels it's feasible for you to pay the money to have to then pursue whatever you're pursuing.
Probably the biggest thing was just being on the clock, and every 5 minutes gets charged, but it just wasn't the case with Melanie. It was a fixed quote and it was much better.
I mean, what I like about Melanie is I feel that we're getting quality advice with excellent response times for value, and the value that she offers, I think, is probably second to none in the Brisbane marketplace, at least.
Easy. It was quick, efficient. She came to me because I was short on time. She recognised that it was a time critical turnaround period, so yeah, it was great.
Look, I think from the outset, Melanie was able to give me a clear assessment of the deliverable, the outcomes, and the cost associated with that, and it met with all expectations. So she delivered the work on time and at the estimated price that she'd originally indicated.
I don't think I did have any hesitations because she was so confident in what she does, and her field of expertise is exactly what I needed at the time. So I didn't really feel any hesitation. I actually felt like I've picked the exact person that I need at this time.
I think Melanie herself was the main reason why I chose to come to HKT. She just seemed to know what she was talking about.
I can't sing Melanie's praises highly enough. She is not your average lawyer, and for that reason I feel like she makes her clients feel like friends. She is approachable, she is friendly, she is lovely, but at the same time you know full well that she will be very professional, and she's very, very competent in what she does.
Anyone who would like to deal with HKT Law, I think it is worth the phone call, and I think you will be pleasantly surprised at how easy she makes things feel, even though it's very, very stressful.
In the short time I've known Melanie, I can absolutely trust what she does. I think she's very ethical, and I think she's very personable, and I just think she's doing the right thing by you, so you can't ask for more than that.
And so the problems that I've brought to Melanie in terms of seeking advice on employment law, the real standout from her sort of service point of view is responsiveness.